Jai Jagannath, Happy Ratha Yatra. Friends, let us see how Singapore celebrates the world famous Ratha Yatra. This is a famous festival of Lord Jagannath from Odisha, India.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So friends, you have seen some of the videos. Now I am going to give few photos also. This video I have made by taking photos and videos from past few years of Ratha Yatra held in Singapore. Last year and this year, due to COVID, there is no Ratha Yatra unfortunately. But Lord Jagannath is always there and we are praying to him. So in Singapore, ISKCON arranges the Ratha Yatra, and they do it in a stadium somewhere. Then they are doing very nicely. They prepare 3 chariots for the 3 deities, Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. The event will mostly happen during evening, like from 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. till 10 p.m. Like many people from many countries will be available there. They will be dancing, singing, praying to God and to Lord Jagannath and enjoying like anything. And they also arrange prasadam, like whoever devotees are coming, they have free prasadam and free food facility there. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
They also encourage the Odisha culture, like promoting some Odia instruments and all, Odia food. So you can see in my photos also, they have they have a stall for Jhalmudi, which is famous in Odisha. Hopefully you liked it. So enjoy, keep praying to Lord Jagannath. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.